Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate Packet Tracer Activity 6.1.1.5, configuring static and default routers. Our objective for today, configure static routes on each router to allow communications between all clients. Test connectivity to ensure that each device can fully communicate with all other devices. Step 1, we're going to test connectivity between the PCs and the default gateway. So we're going to click on the Bow PC and we're going to go to the desktop, command prompt. We're going to ping a few items here. We're going to ping 192. Let's see. Let's do an IP config. Since we do not know. There we go. Let's ping all three of these. 2. Got it. 2555. And what is the next one? The default gateway. I know I'm kind of cheating here, but it's alright. Doing that. And we were able to successfully ping everything right here. So we are getting full communication with all the other devices, such as the gateway, the subnet mask, and the IP address. So everything is configured correctly right here for now. Now let's go back. So we're able to do the IP config, and we're the default gateway and IP address. Let's go back here. All right, let's ping 192.168.1.1. Okay, we are still getting that, and that was the default gateway for the branch office LAN, and so we were able to do that successfully. So we'll click the PN PC now. Just gotta find that. That's where is that located at? PN PC. PCPT. PCPT. PC. PN PC. Desktop. And now let's ping. We'll do another IP config. I'm just going to do the 192.168.3.2. Okay, and I'm going to believe, I'm going to assume that everything's working correctly on there. Let's just ping the 192.168.3.1. That's the default gateway. I think we should be okay on that. And everything seems like everything's perfect right here. Let me just Alright, and everything is correctly on that. I just don't want to waste my time going through all this right now because I know for a fact that these are going to work correctly. So our step 2, we're going to ping between routers to test connectivity. So we're going to use a console cable and terminal emulation software on Bow PC to connect to branch office. So let's get the console cable, Bow PC, and branch office. Console. Let's go here. Terminal. That's okay. We're going to enable. Let's exit. Just go to ping. And we're going to ping 10.10. 1, 100%. Let's try dot 5. You should be. I think this should fail, which it looks like it's right, so everything's doing good. Now we do this to the other ones, and with everything, the networks will succeed. The pings to directly connected networks will succeed. However, pings to remote networks will fail. So we're going to have to set up some IP addresses. So exit out of here. Now we're going to use the common tools, which is right here. And we're going to click on the inspect tools right here. And we're going to click on the main office router and choose routing table. Routing table. Click that right over here. We're going to do it with all the other routers. And we're going to be seeing some success right here very easily, which is really nice deal instead of just crossing our fingers and doing a check results. So this one right here will pretty much, you'll see some new IP addresses once we configure maybe some static routes. Okay. Let's see, what network do they all know about? They all know about this. You know, that one right here, they know these together, the 192.168.1. They don't know about that. Partner net is going to be all screwed up. We should have some difficulties with that. Let me see, 10.10.4. Those ones talk to each other. That won't be too bad. And the 192.168.2. No. So routing table. So this one, all these two know about this one, but these two don't know about each other. So we're going to make sure that they know about all this. Okay. Now, step 4, we're going to configure default routes on the branch office and partner net router. So this one and this one, we're going to configure default routes. Let's see what we need. Let's go to the branch office. And I don't want this anymore. Go away. Okay. Go to CLI. We're going to go to enable. Configuration. Let's add an IP route to this. So we'll just type an IP route. 0.0. Oh, that's not going to work. 0, 0.0.0. And then we're just going to add 10.10.10.1. See what happens. Oh, did you see that right here? If you just play, rewind just a little bit, you'll see that we got an S right here. And I bet you $100 that that S stands for static right there. So we're going to end this and do a copy run start, or I'm just going to be lazy and just hit run. So we were able to do that. So let's get out of here. So we got this little S right here, which is a good thing. So let's go to router and let's go enable. So I could have. So let us do the same thing that we just did over there. So IP route. 0.0.0.0, 0.0.0.0, choose the 10.10.10 dot. Let's go to 5 since there's a 4 right there. I'm looking right here. Since that's a 4, we'll just use a 5. Why not? And oh, there we go. We got something else here. Now someone's talking to each other. Well, kinda. We gotta set some information right here. So end, run, everything's set up. So let's go to the main office. Go to the command line interface, enable, configuration, executive mode. So what we're gonna do, IP route. Type it. 192.168.1.0. So that's right there. And we'll use a class C to 0 and 10.10 dot why not 2. Oh, we got something right there. This one and this one is talking to each other. Just be a little bit lazy. This will be a 6. And this right over here will be a 3. Enter. Oh, we got another one right here. Now we should be getting some default or static IP addresses, everything working. And WR, run. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the Bo PC. Let's go to ping 192.168.3.2. And doesn't look like that. Timed out. 25%. Oh, we got 4 of them. You see 3 lost. So 1 did work. So that's a good thing. Let's try ping. Try it again, just in case. Maybe something just happened. Yep, there we go. We just had to initialize for just a moment. Let's ping 192.168.2.2. Let's see what happens here. There we go. There we go. That's good. So some of it worked. Let's check our results. And we have configured all the static routes on activity 6.1.1.5, configuring static and default routes. Thank you and enjoy your day.